the fulcrum of the India alliance bang in the middle of it, with the allies of the India alliance not too happy with the fulcrum. The fulcrum here, the Congress. 2.5 years after the opposition came together, the India bloc to challenge the BJP, the focus has now turned inwards. A Samna editorial, voices from within Congress and rivals pitch for a leadership change once again. Leadership as in, why not a Mamata Banerjee to lead the alliance, and more such stuff. Take a look.
2.5 years ago, after opposition parties stitched together the India bloc to stop the BJP juggernaut, the spotlight has shifted inwards. Not on ideology, not on strategy, but on basic question: who should lead this alliance? The trigger is a blunt editorial in Samna. It asked the India bloc to wake and hold talks. It added that multiple inner voices of Congress are creating confusion. The strong statements were in an article titled Mamata, Stalin or someone else.
इंडिया ब्लॉक की मीटिंग बुलाकर उसमें चर्चा होनी चाहिए, क्या करना है आगे, क्या नहीं करना है। सत्ता पाने के लिए राजनीति कर रहे हैं और कार्यकर्ताओं को सत्ता चाहिए, नहीं तो पार्टी से लोग पार्टी छोड़कर चले जाते हैं।
This comes after senior Congress leader Mani Shankar Iyer praising Stalin and Pinarayi Vijayan as better consolidators of the opposition.
What Stalin has done over the past 1 year is to raise every single point that is relevant to federalism in India. And therefore, I believe he is the best person to become chairman of the India bloc.
Words that did not just echo, they exploded inside the alliance. Congress MP Karthi Chidambaram adds another layer, pushing for rotational leadership. He pitched for Mamata, Uddhav Thackeray or Stalin to take turns, one leader, 1 year at a time. A state party face, he argues, could have made India bloc stronger.
இல்லாட்டி அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து மமதா பானர்ஜியை போட்டுக்கலாம், இல்லைனாக்க உத்தவ் தாக்கரே போட்டுக்கலாம், இல்லைனாக்க திரு ஸ்டாலின் அவர்களை போட்டுக்கலாம், முதலமைச்சர்களாக இருந்த மற்றவர்களை போட்டுக்கலாம், ஒரு ரொட்டேஷன் பேசிஸ்லையும் போட்டுக்கலாம். கன்வீனர் ஆஃப் தி அலையன்ஸ் வந்து பிரதான அரசியல் கட்சியை தவிர இன்னொரு அரசியல் கட்சியை சார்ந்தவர், ஒரு மாநில அரசியல் கட்சியை சார்ந்தவர் இருந்தால் அதுல வந்து சரி, முன்னாடி நீங்க உதாரணங்களா எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதுல வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஒரு சக்சஸ் ஆயிடும்.
The Bharatiya Janata Party wasted no time, mocking the India bloc as confused, divided and leaderless.
Every election under him, the India alliance is lost. Lost, not just lost, lost miserably. And every political party that was fooled into joining the India alliance by this vision of the India alliance now realizes that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress is the biggest liability that they have put on their heads.
And the report card is unforgiving. Since 2023, India bloc has lost Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Delhi, Bihar, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Sikkim. Wins came only in Telangana, Jammu and Kashmir and Jharkhand. An alliance formed to challenge the BJP is now trapped in a leadership maze. Because in politics, unity isn't just about numbers. It's about clarity at the top. Bureau Report, India Today.